Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll be talking about the need to grow more character than you need. So being known as a person of honour, character, authenticity, a class act or the real deal are some of the highest compliments that can come your way. But what is character? What does it take to be the real deal and to be honourable? Character is often defined in terms of integrity or honesty. And although this is a good start, there's actually a lot more to it. So personality, life skills, virtues, and personal practices all contribute to you becoming and feeling like the real deal naturally. So how can you grow more character than what you need? Start with building your integrity. Integrity is your ability to embody honesty, sincerity, punctuality, orderliness, and keeping your agreements. So ask yourself, are you always fair? Or are you sometimes a bit underhanded? Do you add to the room? Or do you drain from it? Do you keep your agreements? Or do you sometimes twist things to suit yourself? Build your caring. Long-lasting and nurturing relationships rely on the premise that everyone wins. Caring is about wanting everyone to be okay or better than okay. It includes being kind, mindful, patient, generous, respectful, and hospitable. So ask yourself, do you take an interest in others? Are you generous? Are you willing to help? Do you make people feel comfortable around you or in your home? Build your sense of honour. When you are aligned with righteousness, so not self-righteousness, but righteousness, it makes it easy and natural to live your life without ever questioning whether you deserve the best. When you're an honourable person, you will innately know that both you and everyone else deserve the best, and hence will have no need for self-sabotage or neediness. Ask yourself, do you have a high sense of morality, fairness, ethics, responsibility, honesty, and accountability? Are you committed? Do you walk your talk? Build your sense of self. Your sense of self allows you to be self-confident, self-respecting, and self-motivated and secure. Ask yourself, do you feel confident from within yourself? Or does it depend on your environment and external circumstances? Are you satisfied with yourself and your life? Is it easy for you to forgive yourself and others? Can you rely on yourself to do what you say that you're going to do? Build your life skills. Build your ability to communicate, resolve conflict, give and receive love equally. Be appropriately humorous. Be streetwise and prepared to learn. Ask yourself, can you see the humour in most things? Or do you take things personally? Can you build long-term relationships? Or are you just in it for what you can get today? Do you share what you have? Are you wise? Do you speak clearly and warmly? Are you easily understood? Do you encourage others? Do people like you? What do you need to start doing less of? And what will you start doing more of now?